How you doing and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be focused on how to automate your client intake, your client forms, and all of that good stuff. And as usual, I'm jumping right in, no preamble, none of that good stuff. So first and foremost, the tool we're going to be using is Docsflowy. So I'm going to change over to my screen so you can see what I've already set up. So what you're looking at here is kind of a basic client intake form that I've already set up. And to be clear, this is not ours, it's just a template. So a bookkeeping client intake form. And as you can see, I've already set up most of it. And the first thing that you want to do when you're setting up an intake form is to choose the roles, create roles actually. So in a client intake form, who will be filling out the document? That's what you want to consider. Obviously, it's the client. So once you have created that role, you'll see all of your tags. You have default tags, custom tags, and what's known as workflow tags. So workflow tags are unique to the specific document workflow you're creating. So I've gone through, I've filled out most of these. So you can see full name, street address, email address, secondary email. So that's a good example of a workflow tag that you might want to make. So not every document requires a workflow tag. So you don't want to create a custom tag because those are available throughout your entire account. And so if you have a secondary email and it's only relevant to like one or two documents that you actually create, you want to create a workflow tag which only exists in this document workflow, in this case, this intake form. So, for example, CPA name. Not every document will need CPA name, or it's not so common. So you don't want to make a custom tag because those are available across every single document workflow in your account. So if you create too many custom tags, things will get unruly. So once you're done, then obviously signature, full name, and date. And then once you're done, you go ahead and save and proceed. That takes you to settings where you can name the document, and then you can also use merge fields to determine the individual name of each document. So you have multiple clients, so you want to be able to easily find it. So you'll do client intake plus the full name of that client. So you can easily type in their full name and pull out the relevant document for each document that's created. And then there is a form that is automatically created. So this form is what you're going to use instead of like sending them over a Word document, fill this out. They're going to use this form instead. Now this form has all of your tags, all of your questions. So every like repeat information, like full name, they only enter it once and it gets added throughout the document automatically. So these are all of the unique fields in the document, check boxes, financial statement. And then once you're done, you just click save and proceed. And from there, you can publish it, set up signing, and you're good to go. So every subsequent time, all you need to do is share the link. Hey, this is our client intake form. Fill it out. The entire document gets populated. If you really want to get fancy, if you really want to get interesting with it, there's something else you can do. You can actually add another document. So what's the next thing after the client intake form? You just click this plus, you can upload another document, and then reuse those fields. So you can actually do a multi-document workflow. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you how to do that in another video. So that's it for this video. If you want to try it out for yourself, use any of our templates, I set up the link down below. So just click that button. Additionally, this playlist on the screen, go ahead and find out any information for any other kind of form you want to automate, any other kind of document you want to automate, or simple business optimization and operation strategies. You can find that on this channel within that playlist. All right, see you in the next one.